Right, welcome to Shedtune. Don't tell Russ. Let's see if we can get this going. So, put all the fuel up. Let's see what we can do. He'll only get excited and think that I like Vespas. I thought Vespas were reliable. Fuel down the car. That should do. Here we go. Nearly.
Hang on, there seems like something's going on in the workshop that I'm not part of. We'll just wait here a minute and listen. Oi oi.
Nearly. Ah, shit. Yes, that's a no then.
Well, clearly he's having fun.
Fuck off. Piece of shit. Thought Vespas was supposed to be, oh, it's not Vespa, is it? LML.
What are you doing?
I was going to set fire to it, but I didn't want to waste the petrol. So I thought, I need to see if I can ride it to the fire. Come on, go. It'll go. I probably flooded it now. I have now. That's about a gallon of petrol in here.
That'll go. Hammer? Is it fuel on?
No, it was on. I just turned it off. Knackered.
Well, whatever he was
Things were
doing,
all right.
it didn't work. Take two.
Fucking take to the dump. Sorry to all those that get offended because they love their Vespas.
I heard
Yeah, it's
I can't
easy
think
for
the
you to
words.
say.
just get on with it. Oh, tell me fuel. Well, clearly that's not going to start. We'll come back in a minute. Action.
What the fuck?
Anyway.
Action.
Right, on a serious note, we just wanted to say thank you very, very much.
Outside, we don't do serious in here.
Thank you, Mike. Very, shut
Thank you,
up.
Ma.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma.
Right, we're starting.
Easy for you
Take
to
two.
say.
Right, on a serious
Stick
note,
with that one.
just want to say thank you to all you subscribers for keeping
Yes,
with us.
thank you.
We've reached the 2,000 subscriber mark. And, as we promised you, limited edition Shedtune t-shirts. and sweatshirts. So for the 2000th subscriber who cleverly subscribed anonymously, you get nothing.
Nothing. We sent it to an anonymous person, but it was returned.
Exactly. So the nearest person to it was the one previous, 1,999, because the 2001st subscriber was also anonymous.
But that's the type of people we get.
I know, anonymous. So the person that's going to get a hoodie and a t-shirt, free of charge, courtesy of us, is...
I don't know, you never told me.
I did.
Oh yeah. Morris Hanwell.
That's right. Mo?
You jakey shit.
Oh God, I fucking believe it. It's him.
All 2,000 people.
It's him. I know. Heavy soul. If you see this scooter, there's a picture going in now.
Where?
Well, on the screen, obviously, not here.
Okay.
And that's about it, really. Just thanks for the support. We'll keep going.
Yeah, no, quality. So there will be another limited edition t-shirt at 3,000. So
Yes. Yeah.
get
Keep
on
going.
it.
Cheers.
Got to be in it to win it.
That's very true.
So shit, you are. Not funny.
So we've been just having a quick chat, and we thought that to celebrate, to celebrate the 2000s, we're going to put these t-shirts up. T-shirts?
T-shirts.
T-shirts online for 1 month only. So for 1 month they'll be available. If you want some, go to our Etsy store, help yourself, fill your boots, whatever you want to do. I don't know what else to say.
Buy me one for my birthday.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's Dom's birthday in a couple of weeks.
Yeah, so
21 again.
always
That's it. And my birthday's not until August, so
just remember that.
just remember for
buy him
August.
one
Yeah,
as well.
yeah, buy me one as well. So yeah, for 1 month, these t-shirts, limited edition, on the Etsy shop. Go
Once
and
they're
get
gone, they're gone.
never to be repeated. We've had some more letters in, so
Russell, I'm here! Have we got some letters to read? Is it from Duncan and Gary in New Zealand?
no, don't be a knob.
Oh, okay.
Right, I'm going to make him read the letter now.
You read your little porno mag that you brought over.
Right, listen, I got that out of the charity shop.
Well, obviously they're not very charitable if they're doing VESPA manuals.
I know. Anyway, shut up and get on with the letter.
Okay. To...
He's not funny, is he?
Oh, no, see, I like Tony.
Go on then.
Because he said Dom and Russ. In brackets, Russ the sidekick. That's how it should be. No, anyway, to Shedtune, Dom and Russ, please find enclosed a sticker. We are not a club, but a group of mates on a WhatsApp group, alternative to another group where it's spoiled by a pesky wasp. LML, CPR, what the fuck, lol, keep the faith. Tony. Alternatives, York. And a piece of cardboard. I'm assuming that's a sticker. Christ, I'm having this much trouble and I've got my glasses on. There you go, Tony. Cheers. Much appreciated, mate. At least this goes to show that we don't script it.
That's very true.
Prepared earlier.
I honestly thought that was going to fire first go when I heard you kicking it over. Clearly not. Bit of water out the...
It's Vespa. They're reliable, apparently.
Well, it is very true. They are very reliable, Vespas.
I know we'll do it.
Go on. Don't you dare cut it. Chop the beeping thing up, did you say?
I'm going to do the proper one, the real scooter.
Okay. Dom's not had a lot of luck starting the Vespa. I've sent him off to get a blowtorch, and we'll do it the old-fashioned way.
Right, not allowed to use the angle grinder, so... Oh, that's lucky. Oh, how much fuel around is there?
I would have pissed myself at that point.
Would ya? You're in the same workshop.
Well, I'd have been down that way.
What do you reckon? Plug or the scooter itself?
Plug.
Plug.
So you play with fire.
Right.
Lucky it's a flame retardant t-shirt. Someone's got paint there.
Flame effect.
Anyway. I'll stand over here then. Bang!
Oh, what was that film? Where they were coming back into space. Ow. But they didn't say that, did they?
A bit of hot.
Ah, condor.
Ah, shut up.
EFX.
Whack me in the nuts there, won't you? You know what you're like.
That means it, isn't it? I'm not that predictable.
You fucking are. Right. The master at work. Now we can start first kick. Don't pour any fuel down it. Just
Job by surnames, not Bates.
yeah,
Thank you, I'm here all week.
yeah.
Unfortunately,
Yeah, I do exactly. Right, this time.
This time, it will be no different than the last time.
True.
Oh, that was right. I've put the glasses on, I'm Mr. Fucking on. Learn this is.
Story of your life, isn't it?
Yeah, said the bishop to the actress. Oh, it wants to. I don't know if it wants to start off this number. It's just doing both. Notice how it's edging to the door. It doesn't want to be in it.
Right, plan B. Ooh. Don't sound very healthy though, does it?
No.
As you just saw, the scooter ran, but it sounded rough as old boots. So I think I'm going to strip the carb out, stick that in the ultrasonic cleaner, and then I might whip the head off and just have a look to see if this has got a kit on it. Let's whip the cylinder head off and have a look down the bore. Jesus Christ, they're tight. They don't snap. Finally, got them bloody studs out, so we can probably get that off now. he says. Oh, there you go. Oh, it must have a kit of some sort. That's a weird looking piston, isn't it? Well, I suppose it's not. Okay. For all you people watching, how do you identify what this is then? Noticed, I don't, you can't see this. This is an exhaust port. Apparently it goes in here. It's a triple one like you'd have on something like an RB. And I don't know if you can see in there. I'll shine my light in there and see if we can shine it in there. But I'm pretty sure that that's blocked on that side and that side. So there's another job, cleaning that crap out. Anyway, I still don't know what kit it is. I can't find any marks on it. So as I say, if anyone knows what this is, what we got, 3 bits there, a couple of extra transfers down here, maybe a 177s or 160 or something like that. Anyway, comment below because I've got no idea what this is. Right, that's going in there to soak and try and decoke it a bit. Just as a little thank you to everyone, we're going to put the limited t-shirts on the Etsy shop for 1 month only. So as of Monday coming, they'll be up online for 1 month only. So fill your boots. If you want a t-shirt,
they're gone.
Exactly.
It literally is just for 1 month. Yeah.
So anyway, this is going to be the end of this video. Thanks very, very much for watching, and thanks very much if you've subscribed. If you're new to the channel, then well, please stay with us. I know we might seem like a pair of dorks, but it's probably because we are.
Well, there's only one. Pair is plural. Don't.
True. There is only one. Anyway, thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Say goodbye, Dom.
Goodbye, Dom. That wasn't predictable, was it? Oh, and another one.
Yeah.
There is going to be another limited edition t-shirt.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
When we get to 3,000. So grab your family, grab your friends, get subscribing.
Yeah, we don't care. Anyone will do.
So just remember, like and subscribe.
Exactly. Bye.
Cheers. See you later.